and we just secured one of our biggest orders from a brand new client. And the path now for us seems to be a foundational path, that we have this foundation now for us to where now we just can continue to expand and grow with clientele. But that seems to be the direction. Our on-time delivery data is rock solid. Our quality is rock solid. So things are moving in the right direction. And I contribute that all to ProShop. And I just can't believe it. I just can't believe it that a piece of software could play a role. No matter, look, I've been on my own for over 30 years machining, having my own shop, ups and downs, all that stuff. It's just amazing that a piece of software and everything that's evolving, we certainly contribute the success that we're seeing right now to, of all things, a piece of software and you as an individual, because, I have reached out to you for help to kind of say, look, I need some support. I need some help. And man, I can't believe that this conversation has led to this point. But man, I can't thank you and ProShop enough and the team for the success that we're seeing now. What else can I say?